Hello everyone. Today and today only, I am going to show you the most ancient object from the world of little cars. It laid for many centuries underground. And today, something interesting happened. Let's see what it was. It is the ancient wheel. Scientists find these kinds of wheels on places where ancient cars once lived. So be careful with it, T-Racer.
Okay.
Yes, it is like a humming top. Oh no!
Wait!
The wheel has rolled away.
Uh-oh.
T-Racer, we need to catch that ancient wheel.
Okay, let's do it.
And I need to return it to the museum. Oh, what a beautiful staircase.
Ouch!
Wow, for an ancient wheel, it sure is fast. Even T-Racer can't catch up with it. Hey, wheel, please stop. Look, the traffic light is red.
Stop!
The wheel rolled through the light.
Uh-oh.
Of course, it doesn't know what a traffic light is. Oh, hello, tow wheeler.
Hello.
Oops. Oops.
Ah!
How did we get such a badly behaved wheel? Uh-oh, the wheel is getting ready to fly to the moon. Wow! Hi, Rob.
Hello.
Hooray! You caught our ancient wheel. Rob, you can spit out our wheel now. You can't? Hey, tow wheeler, can you help Rob? Great.
Great!
My, that ancient wheel was fast and very naughty, but very well made. They didn't put it in the museum for nothing. Friends, don't forget that you too can go to the museum and learn lots of cool things about history. It is very interesting. That's all for today. Goodbye.